Blessing CEO and this lady bụ Zenith Bank CEO. Ụmụ nwanyị gee ntị ebe ọ bụla ị nọ, carry your seat, come closer. Let's differentiate between Blessing CEO and this Zenith Bank new CEO. Then gị jụọ onwe gị kedu party ị ga-follow, because na abịa n'ife Blessing CEO na-represent, that lady is telling this young girl so the only way to make money is to follow married men. The only way to make money after following married men, you worry about the married men. Or use for some years, it change. Blessing CEO now this girl so the only way to survive is to follow married men. Is to follow married men. Why this Zenith Bank CEO is telling you the only way to survive is by hard work, is by commitment, is by putting effort, is by standing your ground on things you want to do in life. You gotta go. If the difference between these two people now, or they didn't go out with a lady or a girl that is want to survive, use your brain and think very well. Think very well. Imagine Kinki Abisorozie, yeah, lead you to that path, yeah, lead you to that good life you ever wanted. Because if you follow the path of Blessing CEO, that path would destruction. Because the married man cannot sleep with you forever. He cannot be with you forever. Highest, he will use you and dump you. So, for you to do what you love, for you to stand your ground, follow the path of this Zenith Bank CEO. Go and learn how she work very hard to reach to that limelight, to reach to that top. Then the question you ask yourself is this thing: can you many ijiga somebody like Okonjo-Iweala, Dora Akunyere, Oprah? They are like other women in the society, but they make it to the top. They didn't sleep with any married man to make it. But this lady, Blessing CEO, is telling you to go and be sleeping with married man for you to survive. So you have to differentiate between these two people, the party you want to choose in your life. Share the video. Share the video.